Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss some more examples for finding the Z transform using properties of ZT. See here, find the Z transform for the sequence x of n is equal to 2 to the power n u of n minus 2 using properties of ZT. See here, first observe the given sequence x of n. Here 2 to the power n multiplied by u of n minus 2. Here we are having two operations here, that is u of n is shifted by 2, and one more for this sequence, one more sequence is multiplication is there, that is 2 to the power hence. So we are making use of two properties here, that is time shift property, nothing but u of n is shifted by 2, then we are getting u of n minus 2. So time shift property. Next, after shifting u of n minus 2, we are multiplying by 2 to the power n, that is nothing but multiplication by exponential sequence. It is an exponential sequence, or we can say that which property it is, scaling. Another name of this one is scaling in Z domain. Multiplication by exponential sequence, or we can call it as a scaling in Z domain. So let us go step by step. First, in order to get u of n minus 2, we must know what the ZT pair of u of n. So first, ZT pair of u of n is what already we discussed in the previous video, that is 1 divided by 1 minus z to the power minus 1. Okay, if I shift this step signal by 2, then it becomes u of n minus 2. So what will be the ZT pair? So let us write the statement of time shifting property. If x of n is the given sequence, if that sequence is shifted by k samples, then the ZT pair of that one is z to the power minus k is there, no, minus k into x of z. Similarly, coming to here, by using this property, u of n is shifted by 2, hence z to the power what? Minus 2 into x of z, or u of z. U of z is what? This one. 1 divided 1 minus z to the power minus 1. Hence, z to the power minus 2 divided by 1 minus z to the power minus 1. So, what we got? We got the ZT pair of u of n minus 2 as z to the power minus 2 divided by 1 minus z to the power minus 1. Now for this sequence, we have to multiply by the exponential sequence, that is 2 to the power n. That property is called as scaling in Z domain, or we can write it as find Z transform of what? 2 to the power n u of n minus 2, nothing but multiplication. I'm going to write here multiplication by exponential sequence, or we can call it as scaling in Z domain. What is the property of scaling in Z domain? I am going to recall here, a to the power n exponential sequence multiplied for the given sequence. It is, if it is x of n is the given sequence, for the given sequence, if we multiplied by the exponential sequence, then ZT pair is what? X of z is replaced by x of z by a. Scaling operation. This is called as scaling operation. We are writing it as x of a to the power minus 1 z. Correct? If you take the a towards the numerator, we are writing like this. Simple thing, scaling operation in Z domain means Z is replaced by Z by A. That one you have to remember. In this case, in the given example, 2 to the power n u of n minus 2 is there. U of n minus 2, Z transform of u of n minus 2 is already calculated. For that, by using multiplication by exponential sequence, we have to solve. In place of A, what is there? 2 to the power n is there. 2 to the power. So hence Z transform of 2 to the power u of n minus 2 means ZT pair x of z. X of z is what? It is a z transform of x of n, where we are going to replace z by a. Similarly, here whatever the z transform of this term is there, in that answer we are going to replace z by a. Here a equal to what? Here a equal to 2. Hence, wherever z is there in this answer, zt of this one, wherever z is there, that is replaced by z by 2. Hence, where here you can observe this part. In this answer, wherever z is there, z is replaced by z by 2. Hence, z by 2 to the power minus 2 divided by 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus z to the power minus 1 is there. Z to the power minus 1 means z by 2 to the power minus 1. For the simplification, I am going to write 1 by 2 nothing but 1 by 2 nothing but we can write 2 to the power minus 1. Hence 2 to the power minus 1 into z power term is minus 2 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 is nothing but 2 to the power minus 1 z power term is minus 1. For the simplification, hence zt pair of 2 to the power n u of n minus 2 is equal to what we are getting, 2 to the power minus 1 into minus 2. Minus 1 into minus 2, it becomes minus minus plus 1 into 2, 2. Hence 2 to the power 2, it is 4. 4 into z to the power minus 2. Next one as it is. Next, minus 1 into minus 1 plus, so 2 to the power 2 into z to the power minus 1. It is the answer of this one. Okay, we discussed in the same example. For the given example, we use two properties. Those are time shift property and scaling property, that is scaling in z property. So how many properties for the same example we used here? In this example, we used time shift property and we used scaling in z domain property. Two properties we used. Take one more example and find z transform and sketch ROC for the sequence x of n equal to minus 1 to the power n, 2 to the power minus n into u of n. Please solve this example, find the z transform as well as ROC for this one, and put the answer in the comment box. Thank you very much.